In order to solve the given linear equation in one variable, our goal is to isolate the variable on one side of the equation. And we do have some guidelines here in red that we can refer to in order to solve multi-step linear equations. But the first step in this equation is going to be to clear the parentheses. So we'll have to distribute the 8 here and the -2 here. We have to be careful here when distributing a negative, and then we also have subtraction. But let's go ahead and start on the left. We're going to have 8 times x, that's 8x, plus 8 times 2, that's 16. And we still have plus 3 equals, and here we're going to have -2 times x, that's -2x. And then because of the subtraction, we can think of this as a -4. So -2 times -4 would be +8. So we're going to write +8. We'll take a closer look at this in just a moment, and then we have -11. It is important that we really understand what's happening here when distributing a -2 across subtraction. So let's write this out. -2 times the quantity x minus 4. We really have -2 times x minus -2 times 4. So here's the -2x, and this is really minus -8, and subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive, so this is -2x plus 8. But I think it's easier just to think of this as -2 times -4, which results in +8, so we write down +8. Okay, let's go ahead and continue with our equation now. The next step is going to be to combine the like terms on each side of the equation. We can combine these two terms as well as these two terms. So we have 8x, and 16 plus 3 is 19. Here we have -2x, and here we have 8 minus 11, that's going to be -3. And instead of writing plus -3, we'll just write minus +3. Now notice we do have variable terms on both sides of the equation, so we can't isolate x if it's on both sides. So if we want to undo this -2x on the right side of the equation, we could add 2x to both sides. And again, the reason this works is -2x plus 2x would be 0, so now the x term is no longer on the right side. So now when we simplify, we have 8x plus 2x, that's 10x, plus 19 is equal to -3. And now we have our basic two-step equation. We want to undo this addition and undo this multiplication. And we're going to undo the addition first, so we'll subtract 19 on both sides. (19 minus 19 is 0, so we're left with 10x equals -3 minus 19 would be -22. And then the last step is to divide both sides by 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1, so we have 1x, or just x, equals -22 tenths. But these do share a common factor of 2. Let's go ahead and write that out. We can write -22 as -2 times 11, and we can write 10 as 2 times 5. So there's the common factor of 2. So this simplifies to -11 fifths, which is simplified in fraction form. This is an improper fraction, so if we wanted to express this as a mixed number, we would have to divide 11 by 5. Let's go ahead and do that. We know the mixed number would be negative, so then we're left with 11 divided by 5. There are 2 5s and 11. 2 times 5 is 10, with the remainder of 1. So -11 fifths is equivalent to -2, then the fraction part is the remainder over the divisor, so we have 1/5. So it's quite a bit of work, but this would be the solution to our equation, which means if we went back to the original equation and substituted -11 fifths for x here and here, the left side would be equal to the right side. And you may want to verify that for yourself. I hope this was helpful.